Lesson: Bias and Fairness in AI Algorithms. Bias and fairness in AI algorithms represent critical concerns, especially as AI systems increasingly influence various aspects of life, from hiring decisions to criminal justice. These issues arise when AI systems produce skewed results, often reflecting existing societal biases. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, incorporating actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications. Understanding bias in AI begins with recognizing its sources. Bias can originate from skewed training data, where historical data reflects existing prejudices or inequalities. For example, a study found that facial recognition systems performed significantly worse on darker-skinned women compared to lighter-skinned men. This discrepancy highlights the potential for biased datasets to produce unfair outcomes if not carefully managed. Practical tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360 and Google's What If tool provide frameworks for detecting and mitigating bias in datasets. These tools offer comprehensive suites of metrics and visualizations to help identify biases, allowing developers to make informed adjustments to their data and models. Fairness in AI extends beyond simply identifying bias. It encompasses ensuring equitable treatment and outcomes across different groups. One practical framework for addressing fairness is the Fairness, Accountability, and Transparency in Machine Learning Guidelines. These guidelines advocate for transparency in algorithmic decision-making processes and encourage stakeholders to consider the societal impact of AI systems. A step-by-step application of FAT-ML principles might involve conducting a fairness audit where developers assess their algorithms' decisions against protected attributes like race, gender, or age, ensuring no group is disproportionately disadvantaged. Case studies provide valuable insights into the real-world implications of biased algorithms and the effectiveness of fairness interventions. Consider the COMPAS algorithm, used in the United States for predicting criminal recidivism. Investigations revealed that COMPAS disproportionately flagged Black defendants as high risk compared to their white counterparts. This case underscores the necessity for transparency and fairness in AI systems, prompting legal and ethical discussions on the use of such algorithms in justice systems. As a corrective measure, developers and policymakers can employ fairness-aware algorithms which explicitly incorporate fairness constraints during the training process. Statistical techniques play a crucial role in identifying and mitigating bias. Resampling methods, such as SMOTE, can help balance imbalanced datasets, ensuring minority classes are adequately represented. Additionally, techniques like adversarial debiasing involve training AI models with adversarial networks that penalize biased outcomes, thus promoting fairness in predictions. A practical example of adversarial debiasing is its application in hiring algorithms, where it can help eliminate gender or ethnic biases in candidate selection processes. Transparency is another vital component in ensuring fairness in AI. Explainable AI frameworks facilitate transparency by making AI decision-making processes understandable to humans. Techniques like LIME and SHAPE provide insights into how AI models make decisions, allowing stakeholders to scrutinize and trust these systems. For instance, in healthcare, explainable AI can help doctors understand AI-driven diagnostic recommendations, ensuring that treatment decisions remain fair and informed by accountable algorithms. Ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks also play a significant role in ensuring AI fairness. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation mandates transparency and accountability in automated decision-making, setting a global precedent for AI ethics. Compliance with such regulations requires AI systems to include mechanisms for human oversight and the right to explanation, ensuring individuals can contest and understand AI-driven decisions that affect them. Collaboration across disciplines enhances the development of fair AI systems. Interdisciplinary teams, comprising ethicists, sociologists, and legal experts alongside data scientists and engineers, contribute diverse perspectives and expertise. This collaborative approach ensures AI systems are designed with consideration for ethical implications and societal impact, fostering fairness from the ground up. For example, an interdisciplinary team working on a hiring algorithm can better address potential biases by incorporating insights from social science research on discrimination in employment. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential to maintaining fairness in AI systems. Implementing a feedback loop allows developers to assess the impact of their algorithms post-deployment, identifying any emerging biases or unintended consequences. This process often involves collecting user feedback and performance metrics, which inform ongoing adjustments and improvements. By integrating these practices, organizations can ensure their AI systems remain fair and responsive to changing societal norms and expectations. Education and training are critical for equipping professionals with the skills needed to address bias and fairness in AI. Comprehensive training programs, such as the CompTIA AI Architect certification, can incorporate modules on AI ethics and governance, providing learners with the knowledge and tools to design and implement fair AI systems. Through practical exercises and case studies, participants can gain hands-on experience in identifying and mitigating bias, applying fairness frameworks, and leveraging transparency tools. Engagement with broader societal discussions on AI ethics can also inform the development of fair AI systems. Public forums, academic conferences, and policy debates offer platforms for stakeholders to discuss the ethical implications of AI, share best practices, and develop consensus on fairness standards. By actively participating in these dialogues, AI professionals can stay informed about emerging ethical considerations and contribute to shaping the future of fair AI governance. In conclusion, addressing bias and fairness in AI algorithms requires a comprehensive and multifaceted approach. By leveraging practical tools, frameworks, and interdisciplinary collaboration, professionals can design AI systems that promote equitable outcomes and adhere to ethical standards. Continuous monitoring, evaluation, and education further ensure these systems remain fair and responsive to societal needs. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of life, fostering fairness and accountability remains paramount, guiding the development of trustworthy and just AI technologies.